nappy nap. We've got Yoshi here with Greg.
Greg.
Thanks for bringing in Greg from the Humane Society of Utah.
Yes,
what
my
many
pleasure.
years he's got?
What a formal name, or
I know.
Greg, Gregory.
Greg. I've never heard a dog named Greg. This is the first.
You know what's funny is our neighbors and friends have a dog named Greg.
Really?
And that was the first. I was surprised to hear another one.
Yeah. Well, this is the second Greg. Greg is a 10-year-old mini pinscher, and he's just a transfer from the South Jordan shelter. So he needs a home. He hasn't had a home for quite some time. We don't know a ton about him, but you can see he's super cute and super well behaved.
Yeah.
He is about 11 pounds, and as I mentioned, 10 years old, so we really want to get him a home quickly. And he also is a name-your-own-price dog, so you can't beat that.
And little dogs live such a long time, so really,
Yeah.
that's not an old age.
That's not an old age. Anyone who adopts Greg into their family should have Greg for a long time.
Okay.
Yeah, so, and he's absolutely just a fun little ball of joy. When he saw that I was coming to pick him up, he was super excited and literally jumped into my arms.
Really?
Yeah, that's never happened before.
He's like, this is my day.
Even with you, Yoshi? I'm surprised. That's a first.
Yes.
All right. Thanks, Yoshi.
Thank you.
Okay, here's the number right here for Humane Society of Utah. It's 801-261-2919. Ask for Greg.